Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover Roblox password on phone. But before I begin with the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So if you open up your Roblox and you can't log in because you don't know the password, once you are logged on, you want to come to this screen and just tap in login. And you will see on this screen that it tells you forgot password or username at the bottom. So basically you want to tap on that and then wait for it to load up. And now you want to enter your email to reset your password. Click submit, then just follow the on-screen instructions from the email, or use your username to retrieve. This one is to retrieve your username, and this one is of course to reset your password. If you don't have the email, you can tap at the bottom to use phone number to reset your password. So just tap on the country code and type in your phone. And then again, follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.